They sang with some really great artistry and made some unforgettable music.
I think it has changed a lot of lives. There's a camaraderie amongst that's so typical amongst choral singers.
The opportunity to sing in the Vatican in front of like the cardinals was just amazing.
In Rome, to be able to sing High Mass at St. Peter's, that's a privilege that, first of all, you don't just call St. Peter's and say, hey, my choir's coming to Rome, I want to sing at the Mass. KI has connections and relationships for years that have been built with St. Peter's so that they know that they can trust KI to provide quality music and not worry about the Mass and the service being compromised.
It's really cool to see a different part of the world with like a group that you wouldn't expect to, like your choir.
You have to have that kind of expertise to really plan a tour like this well. What I think special about KI is that they are committed to the individual choirs.
It was just unbelievable. And to have so many voices singing together and everyone, it was so special for everyone. Everyone wanted it perfect, and so it was perfect.